Hey everyone, happy weekends, and I hope you guys are doing well. Before I go any further, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now, this Sunday, I'm putting down the camera and providing you with how to construct a concise and eloquent vision board. Recollecting on my childhood, I remember my parents would always stress the importance of creating a dream book. And this dream book allowed me to visualize the results of my potential and essentially manifest my dreams. A vision board is no different. It brings clarity and focus to one's life. I believe the law of attraction. Basically, what you envision is already in progress. A vision board just serves as a constant reminder of how to get to your dreams. Now, I should note, however, that there is a right and a wrong way to construct a vision board. So continue to watch this video to make sure you're amplifying this tool and the law of attraction to the max. So let's get started. You'll need the following tools: wire cutters, a wire mesh grid panel that you can easily get from a hardware store. It's fairly affordable, but another really good alternative is to just use your door as your canvas. What matters is that you get something up somewhere. You'll also need some clothespins. And just ensure that your clothespins, if you are getting them shipped to your home, make sure that they aren't super small like these ones. I still made them work. Okay, so the first step, you need to create a table with 9 blocks. Arrange them from left to right. The first row should be, from left to right, should be the following categories: wealth, your signature style or your reputation, basically how you want to be seen, and spiritual. Second row, again, starting from the left, relationships, health, and love. Followed by the last row, your career and brand, hobbies, and travel. Once we get this table created, let's move on to the second step. Okay, so second step is to brainstorm. Start to fill in the grids with anything that comes to your mind. At this first stage, you can be as vague as possible. Just put something down in each block. Third step is to drill down. Now, this is the time to go back to each category and be as detailed and polished as you'd like to be. Just consider what I'm about to tell you. No more than 1 to 2 images for each category. Going beyond that will bring clutter to your board, essentially telling the universe that you have negative energy and clutter in your life. You want your board to be as clean, clear, and concise as possible. Additionally, when you're polishing your categories, feel free to include short statements or quotes. Having both photos and words trigger both your left and right sides of your brain. And again, just like the previous clutter statement, you don't want your statements to be too long drawn. Next step, after drilling down, is to find the space where you want to put your vision board. And note, your vision board doesn't have to be physical. You can store one electronically on your phone or your computer's desktop. I personally chose a physical board to set up in my bedroom, and this will be the first and the last thing that I see every single day. Fourth step is to choose your inspiration. Whether from a magazine or websites like Pinterest, choose photos and quotes that speak to you and you only. What are some images that make you feel good? Save them to either a folder in your computer or set them in a physical pile. You'll need to consider the size and the format of these images as we go down this video. Fifth step, print those photos out. You can either print them from home or upload and develop them at your local store. Within 2 hours of uploading my photos to the shop's database, my photos were ready for pickup. If you've made it this far into my video, I really appreciate it, and I'm going to take this opportunity to ask that you like and subscribe to my channel. Now, a few more bonus tips for you. Viewing your board might trigger an internal struggle or negative energy. Take some time to write those thoughts down on paper. Read and acknowledge them, then throw them away. By doing this, you recognize the negative thoughts, but most importantly, you're physically getting rid of them. This makes way for new positive space to enter into your life, into your thoughts, and again, as the law of attraction states, your thoughts are your reality. Also, when you're through constructing your board, put it at eye level. Looking up towards it signals to the universe that they're too high to obtain. Looking down on the board, however, signifies the complete opposite. Again, eye level is key. All right, guys, so that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. If you made it this far, thank you so much, and I really hope that this video inspired you to create your own vision board and to visualize your dreams. So again, this is Kat from CatMorePhoto.com here in San Diego, California, wishing everyone a very, very happy and pleasant weekend. Keep your spirits up, and I'll see you next weekend for another video. Take care, guys.